Hey, what's up everybody? This is my first annual YouTube video, so don't judge me. I'm just doing a little bit fun with some characters, some telepods for Angry Birds Star Wars 2. So if you guys have the app, make sure you guys click on it. And if you guys have the base or a telepod, you gotta put the telepod on there and then you can teleport it into the game if you put it on your camera. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's do this. Okay. On a beautiful day in the morning. I wonder what I should do today. On a beautiful day in the morning. I hope no bad guys are following me. Hiding in the background. Shh. Okay, so I am still here in the morning. Okay, I better go off here. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, look me this way. Okay. Wait, why is there a camera following me? Oh well. Ooh, what's this? Dang it, I got trapped. I got trapped. I have got trapped. Oh my, I am dead. I am so dead. Till you come to the lava pit. Looks like this is the end of my one dude. Or is it? Ow! Oh jeez, why do I keep falling down? Okay. Keep pushing him towards the lava pit. That's it. There. Oh dear. Don't get in here. Oh. Was this the end of the Angry Birds? No. They had more friends coming to help. It's Jar Jar Binks. And it's also Anakin. I'm the first one. Anakin. I must help my friends. Oh, that wasn't tough enough. We need more backup. Okay. Help I must. Yoda. That wasn't enough. We need more help. Got it. And Anakin again. I don't know what his name is. I just made it up. And then the pig to help the pork chop. The battle for the birds. Whap! Ow! Oh, jeez. Now we can finally have flying air mode. Okay, right now, son. Adios, losers! Woohoo! Oh, phew. At least we're safe. Phew. At least this is safe. Okay, everybody get out. Phew. At least Count Dooku is gone. Right, guys? We may have a problem. Darth Maul is after us too. Oh man, I knew I should have controlled that too before. I got this. Okay, never mind. We all need to go. It says you can't go. Well, if we could have went and took down them before we could have left them, we could have destroyed them first. Right? To be continued.